Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to group pictures in Microsoft Word. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. Let's say there are two pictures in this Word document and we need to group them. We can group them right away, it takes a little preparation. Select the first picture and click Layout Options at the top right, or go to the Picture Format tab and select Wrap Text. Next, select any of the 6 options provided. In this case, the main thing is that we can move the picture freely. We do the same with the second picture. Now we place the images closer to each other and select the first picture. And then hold down the Control button and select the second picture. Great, 2 images have been selected. Now right-click and select Group. As you can see, the 2 images have become one and we can freely move them in a grouped state. Also, if you select any of these images, we can easily edit it as we need. And one last thing, you can group not only images but also shapes. The principle is the same. For example, let's add any shape. And then select it and the picture using the Control key. Next, click the right button and click the group option. Everything is simple. And that's it. Now in a little more.